Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook step by step. Start by clicking the New Event button at the top of your calendar, then select Event from the drop-down that appears. An event dialog opens where you can fill in the details. Type a title for your meeting. I'm calling it Project Catch-Up. In the attendee field, start typing the person's name and Outlook will show matching contacts. I'm selecting Sarsa Jing from the suggestions. Click the Date field to open the date picker, then choose the date you want. Here I'm selecting August 1st, and the field updates to show the full date. Once everything's filled in, click the Send button at the top right to create the meeting and send out the invites, and the dialog closes back to your calendar view. If you need to turn the event into a Teams meeting, look for the Teams meeting toggle in the event dialog. It adds a join link automatically. You can edit or cancel the meeting later by opening it from your calendar and clicking the option at the top. If attendees aren't receiving invites, check that their email addresses are correct and that you've clicked Send rather than Save as Draft. And that's how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.